guys, how are you? Today we are here with no makeup at all. I just got out of the shower, dried my hair, and today we are gonna be making a very easy 3 ingredient face mask. If you hear any chomping, if you hear any biting, that's my dog down there. She has just woken up from her afternoon nap and she is feeling feisty. Okay, so this mask is basically a mask that our household has been making for generations, and I'm sure a lot of you are aware, but for those of you who are not aware, now you are. You're welcome. And so before you watch this mask, if you like videos like this, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and thumbs up this video for more content. Now let's begin. So this mask is essentially a lactic acid mask. The base of this mask is curd, and unflavored curd. All right, the curd that you get in your whatever your mom makes or you make, or for those of you who don't have curd, just get some Greek yogurt. Same thing. And with it, so you take 2 tablespoons of curd, tablespoon, not teaspoon, tablespoon, and then 2 teaspoons of turmeric. And turmeric we use in everything. Like, where do I even begin? We can use turmeric from tea to our desserts. It's everywhere, and rightfully so. It does wonders for your skin, your hair, your brain, everything. So what turmeric essentially does over here is it acts as an antiseptic. If you have any skin issues, it solves that. And with it, the third and the last ingredient is a dollop, and I put dollop very loosely that you can eyeball, but essentially like a large thing always goes wrong. Okay, where were we? Honey, right? A large dollop of honey. Now a large dollop would essentially mean like 1 tablespoon, and you get all these 3 ingredients, you mix it up, you take a hand mixer. Wait, I'll show you the ingredients. So after you're done with the raw ingredients, it should look, I'm trying not to spill it, something like this. And I have a hand beater, and I'm just gonna mix it all up. This mask will not only make your skin very dry, it's fantastic if you have dry skin to use this mask, because curd or yogurt essentially moisturizes your skin. It also brightens up your skin. I wish you could see my dog right now. She's woke up and she thought it was food. It's not food, my love. It's not food. It's a face mask. So yeah, it will brighten your skin. It will fix if you have little zits, if you are facing patchiness. Just do this every day before you go to the shower. I did not do it today before I went to the shower. Mistake. I should have. So because it can get a little messy, so I'm wearing a really old t-shirt. So because you have to put it, you can put it anywhere, not only your face and neck but also your arms and legs. It will just essentially make your skin better. So after you have made a paste like so, let's put it on our faces. This is gonna get very messy, and I'm gonna take off everything. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, are we good? We good? Okay, let me just shift my hand beater. Should I keep it? I didn't get anywhere to keep this. Okay, problem solved for now. Now, just take this and it's cold. So you see, it's very thin, and you have to cover all your skin. Is very cold, so it feels kind of nice. And also put it under your eye, because if you have dark circle, the turmeric, honey and curd really helps with the dark circles. I have horrendous dark circle, as you can see, and it does fix it a little bit. It takes time, but it gives you an instant glow. That's what it does. And this mask, I think every Indian mother, grandmother, great grandmother has passed it on to the next generation, so you know it works. This has been in our culture for God knows how many generations or thousands of years. So as you can see, it's all natural. You can store this mask, because for example I have an excess and I will store it, but try not to keep this mask for more than 3 days. It'll go bad. Okay. Should have done this when I was taking a bath, man. It's just getting everywhere. Yeah, I think I covered everything. I think I'll put a little bit more extra under my eye. And yeah, there you go. I don't have any zits that I have to focus on, but so just an even, I know it doesn't look like an even layer on my face, but it is. Okay. In contrast to the yellow, my lips look horrendously red. Like I've sucked on blood. Okay, this is done. I'm gonna keep this in the fridge. I'm gonna let it dry for 15 minutes, wash it, and come back. I'll see you guys. So, there you go, guys. It has been like 15 minutes and I washed it off. And yeah, this is my skin right now. It has nothing on it. And you can see that there's a yellowish tint, which is basically there from the turmeric. I don't mind it. My skin today was feeling so parched, so dry, and right now it feels much better. Now I'm gonna tone my face and put on some moisturizer, and yeah, call it a day. But yeah, this is the skin. If you do this every day or every other day, you will see a significant difference in your dry skin or in your dull skin. It will appear less dull, and that is that. So if you guys liked this video, I'm gonna open my hair now because I look like a little boy. If you guys like this video and if you want to see more videos on skincare, hair care, makeup, let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. I was hoping to make a hair care video, so let me know your thoughts on that. And if you do try this face mask, let me know how it goes for you. I hope you like it because it's quick, it's simple, it's very cheap, and it works. So on that note, I will take your leave, and here's hoping that you have a great day, evening or afternoon, wherever you are. I hope you stay safe. I hope you have a productive day and you did something meaningful today. My Instagram link is going to be in the description down below. Come follow me. It's always a fun time over there. I'm way more funnier and way more candid over there. Here you just get to see a face of me. There I'm just goofy. That's it. That's it. So yeah, follow me over there. Tell me what you want to see next, and I will see all you lovely people tomorrow. Bye.